Lychees are my favorite summer fruit. And what better way to use this amazing fruit to whip up the most wonderful dessert? Today I have for you the lychee pudding. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. For this I need half a tin of Milkmaid, 3 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of custard powder, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 200 ml of cream, 1½ cups of lychee, 50 grams of pomegranate. I'm going to begin by preparing the custard. For this, I will mix the custard powder along with the milk in a bowl. In this pan, I'm going to add the remaining milk and add to that the dissolved custard. Bring it to a boil for the custard to form. This custard has been brought to a boil and has been thickened, but only to a pouring consistency. Separately, in another bowl, I have some warm water in which I'm going to add the gelatin. The gelatin has been dissolved and now I'm going to pour this into the warm custard. It's important to mix the gelatin into the custard really well. To this, I'm going to add the Milkmaid. Giving this a good stir. Leaving this aside to cool. While the custard is cooling, I'm going to now, in a separate bowl, whisk up some cream. I'm whisking this up till soft peaks are formed. And we have them. This gorgeous whipped cream is going straight into the custard. Now goes in the lychees. Folding the cream and lychees gently. This pudding looks delicious and is ready to be poured into my serving bowl. Voila! This beauty is going to sit in the fridge until set. I have here a rather lovely, generous portion of yummy lychee pudding. Now is the time for self-indulgence. The garnish of pomegranate seeds makes this dish look so pretty. This is a highly refreshing dish. The goodness of lychees gives it that extra bang. What a great way to perk up your spirits on a hot summer day. For more delicious dessert recipes, go to milkmaid.in.